And coming from behind, Su-30 is committed for a simulated attack. Call sign Bhala. Look towards your front, the intruding aircraft.
And from your right, coming in, Su-30.
And the enemy aircraft have been hit. Su-30 now dropping onto the simulated enemy aircraft. Look at that, Su-30 now escorting the enemies back to hell from whence they came.
This sequence exemplifies a textbook combat air patrol engagement. Early detection, rapid interception, controlled escalation, and complete command of the airspace.
Watch the Su-30 pitch up and reheat.
शत्रु लंबी दूरी से हमले की रणनीति अपनाकर लगातार हमला कर रहा है और पीछे हटने को तैयार नहीं है, परंतु ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से देना हमें भली भांति आता है।
These threats will now be engaged by our surface-to-air missile forces, a vital pillar of the Indian Air Force's multi-layered air defense architecture, Akash.
For today's demonstration, the enemy aircraft will be simulated by a practice aerial target with red trail and will be visible on your right. This is our maneuverable expendable aerial target, also known as MEAT. आकाश मिसाइल सिस्टम भारत द्वारा स्वदेशी रूप से विकसित मध्यम दूरी की सतह से वायु में वार करने वाली मोबाइल मिसाइल प्रणाली है।
So now, ladies and gentlemen, watch closely as the Akash system to your 12 o'clock on ground will now execute a salvo launch, firing 2 missiles in rapid succession to ensure a high probability of target destruction of the practice aerial target, which will be approaching from your right.
Keep looking straight ahead and brace yourself for the launch. And that's a direct hit. Just a single launch was enough to take down the enemy.
It's a huge round of applause for our Akash system. Despite this, the adversary continues a desperate attempt to target our vital installations.
Now entering the engagement zone is our Spider surface-to-air missile system, also known as Saksham. This highly capable system can track multiple targets simultaneously, including low-flying aircraft and drones.
So watch the Spider system engage. The launcher elevates. The simulated and the practice aerial target is locked.
Keep your eyes on this Spider missile system. If you blink, you will miss. And that's a direct hit. We have a multi-layered air defense system where the enemy projectiles are shot down by a combination of surface-to-air missiles in the region.
So let your claps thunder like a battlefield salute.
Time now is for steel on the ground. भारतीय थल सेना की L-70 गन्स आपकी बाईं ओर। इस मिशन में आप कुछ ही क्षणों में एक प्रैक्टिस एरियल टारगेट को अपनी दाहिनी ओर से आकाश में देख पाएंगे। इसकी पहचान इसके लाल धुएं की हवाई रेखा से की जा सकती है, जो कि आपके ठीक सामने 1 o'clock पे है। Requesting your attention towards your left, watch L-70 guns in action. And that's a direct hit. Let's hear it for Indian Defence Services. United in purpose, unstoppable in spirit. इतिहास साक्षी है कि किसी भी युद्ध में जब राष्ट्र शक्ति के संवाहक एकजुट होकर कार्य करते हैं तो दुश्मन का विध्वंस होना सुनिश्चित है, और यही युद्ध का सिद्धांत भी है। Introducing you to coordinated air operations, opening fire at multiple fronts, no pause, no pullbacks, क्योंकि ये वो भारत है जो दुश्मन के घर में घुस के मारता है।
जंग अकेले नहीं लड़ी जाती। It's a symphony of destruction. जब जमीन और समुंदर पर हमारी फौज आगे बढ़ती है तो आसमां से कवर हम देते हैं। इसे कहते हैं coordinated air operations. Before and when our brave soldiers face the enemy, the Air Force breaks the enemy's spine. याद कीजिए Op Sindoor. Their fighters, their transport aircraft destroyed in their hangars, their runways turned to dust. Operation Sindoor में हमने दिखलाया, दुनिया ने देखा। Defense analysis ने माना और reports ने कहा that over the enemy skies, the Indian Air Force held total dominance. Our aircraft will rain fire on the enemy bridges, command centers, and crush their logistics nodes. इसे कहते हैं air interdiction. जब दुश्मन हमारे जवानों और समुद्री जहाज की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, तो हम बनते हैं उनकी aerial shield. Before the enemy can reach the border, we break their bridges, burn their fuel, and choke their supplies. Battlefield airstrike means delivering firepower just inches ahead of our troops. सटीक निशाना, सुरक्षा हमारा वादा, और सिर्फ आग नहीं, हम ताकत भी पहुंचाते हैं। हमारे जहाज समुंदर से पहाड़